St Lucia Vacation Guide. For many, St Lucia's primary appeal is as a honeymoon destination. This tropical paradise is a popular honeymoon destination due to its idyllic setting and lengthy stretches of sandy beaches. This tropical paradise is ideal for newlyweds, but a honeymoon is not required to enjoy it. This beautiful island is located in the Lesser Antilles group of volcanic islands and caters primarily to couples, families, and the wealthy. You don't have to spend a lot of money despite its reputation as a luxurious hideout. Our St. Lucia travel guide offers you all you need to know to make the most of your time in this tropical paradise, no matter how much money you have or how you like to vacation. Hey there! If you're new here, welcome to our channel. We provide vacation travel guides for some of the most adventurous regions around the world. In this video, we'll be providing a travel guide for anyone planning to explore St. Lucia. Before we begin, please hit those like and subscribe buttons below to help our channel grow. St. Lucia is an island nation in the Eastern Caribbean, and the steeply tapering Pitons mark its western shore. There are fishing communities and high-end resorts along the coast where you may go scuba diving among volcanic beaches. Waterfalls like the 15-meter-tall Trois Isles, which cascades over a cliff and into a garden, can be found at the end of trails in the interior jungle. Castries, the island's capital, is a popular stop for cruise ships. St. Lucia is noted for many things, including the spectacular Piton Mountains, a drive-in volcano, refreshing waterfalls, fantastic hiking trails, lovely beaches, local street parties, and exquisite restaurants. So if you just arrived in St. Lucia or are still planning your trip, here are some of the best things to do during your vacation in St. Lucia. We've also highlighted some of St. Lucia's more notable hotels for you here. Best time to visit. The best time to visit St. Lucia is between May and June. These late spring and early summer months offer wonderful weather in the high 70s to 80s. Music lovers should consider visiting in early May specifically to attend the St. Lucia Jazz and Arts Festival that's held at Pigeon Island National Landmark. The island is bursting with activity in the summer and late fall, but there's also a greater chance of hurricanes. The busiest and most expensive time to vacation is from December to April, which is also the driest season. Go bird watching. In St. Lucia, going bird watching is an activity that can be done with relative ease. The Bois d'Orange swamp, the rainforest, and Boreal's Pond are home to various bird species, including St. Lucian parrots, peewees, orioles, and wrens. Other species include white-breasted thrashers and peewees. At any given time, visitors to Frigate Island Nature Reserve can view thousands upon thousands of stunning migratory frigate birds. Explore the weekly Castries Market. The Castries Market has been the capital city's local food and flea market for the last century. This open-air market is the largest and most colorful in St. Lucia. Open every day except for Sunday, locals gather to sell homegrown produce and spices as well as St. Lucia stamped souvenirs for tourists. The Castries Market is located off John Compton Highway between Jeremy and Baptiste Streets, less than a mile south of the cruise ship terminal. You should come here to get a feel for the rhythm of life in St. Lucia and to sip some of the delicious local coffee. The markets sell a variety of souvenirs in addition to tropical fruits and vegetables, such as hand-woven baskets, mahogany sculptures, and bowls, and other trinkets. Although the market is open every day except Sunday, you should time your visit for a busy Friday or Saturday morning when more tourists are around and the market comes to life with plenty of vendors. Hike the trails. St. Lucia is home to many beautiful hiking paths, one of which is the Barre de Lila Rainforest Trail, which leads to the summit of Morne-la-Combe. The hike takes 3 hours to complete and is very steep. However, at the end of the journey, you will be rewarded with the views of Mount Jimmy, deep valleys of the Caribbean Sea, and the Atlantic Ocean. The Blanc South Trail is another one of our favorites, located away from crowded resort areas. You can completely submerge on this trail in the island's rainforest. It ends at the Bassin waterfall, where you can take a refreshing dip to cool off. Whatever trail you walk, you should always pack some water and a good pair of hiking shoes. Swim in Sulfur Springs. Sulfur Springs is home to the Caribbean's only drive-in volcano, meaning that visitors are able to safely drive right by an active volcano, one of the most popular tourist destinations on the island. These hot springs can be found just to the south of Sulfur. You can walk through the crater full of steaming, bubbling pools and hot springs. The attraction also features warm, sulfuric pools that visitors are allowed to bathe in. You can visit Sulfur Springs daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Guided 20-minute tours cost $9 and access to the baths costs extra. Visit Gros Islet. Gros Islet, on the northern tip of St Lucia, is both a remote and exciting destination. The best way to explore the shoreline is via island riders, where riding veterans and beginners alike can trot along on horseback and chat with the locals. Every Friday night, the community of Gros Islet throws a massive party. The Jump Up Street Party, perhaps the most recognized of the town's attractions, showcases a unique blend of food and music. Spend the evening dancing in the sweltering heat of the tropics while listening to music from Caribbean artists performed by local bands and DJs. A general carnival mood transforms the village into a huge outdoor celebration, and local vendors sell a variety of regional foods and drinks, including some delicious barbecues. Hang out on the beaches. The beaches in St. Lucia include crystalline waters, sands as white as powder, and lots of opportunities to bask in the sun's warm rays. Redowit Beach, located on Rodney Bay, has 5 miles of sand and is considered one of the island's longest beaches. The expansive shoreline, glorious sunsets, and close proximity to the bars, restaurants, and shops of Rodney Bay make for an easygoing beach experience. Redowit is also a great place to try water sports like windsurfing and water skiing. Visit in the morning or evening to avoid the afternoon rush of cruise ship crowds. However, if Redowit Beach is too busy for your liking, try the beautiful Jalouse Beach between Gros and Piton, or Marigot Bay on the western coast, known for its scattered and quiet beaches. Hike the Tet Paul Nature Trail. The Tet Paul Nature Trail, one of the best things to do in St. Lucia, and is located 10 minutes from Sulfur. This location provides breathtaking panoramic views of the island. The views from the Tet Paul Scenic Trail have been described as absolutely heavenly. If you are one who longs for the road less traveled and adventures off the beaten path, a hiking tour on St. Lucia is perfect for you. The Tet Paul Nature Trail hike can take about 45 minutes to complete. The St. Lucia tour is guided by friendly and knowledgeable locals who can answer your questions and provide insights about the attractions you will see along the way. Visit Morne Kubaral Historical Adventure Park. The Morne Kubaral Historical Adventure Park is an 18th century estate near the World Heritage Pitons and the Sulfur Springs volcano, which provides visitors with exciting and educational opportunities. There are 8 different zip lines, a tour of historic plantation estates, and a visit to a traditional hamlet. You can also hike to a mineral waterfall or ride a horse to the beach or the volcano. Hike through the lush rainforest and experience a natural spa treatment at a mineral waterfall. Learn about the local history and culture on a working plantation, where you'll even get to taste along the tour. The best hotels in St. Lucia. If you're searching for hotels and spas in St. Lucia, here are some of our top picks. Enjoy a breathtaking vacation in any of these hotels. Not only do they provide a refreshing atmosphere, but these are also all luxurious hotels and spas, so you know what to expect. Kaye Blanc Villa and Hotel, adults only. The Kaye Blanc Villas is a one-of-a-kind privately owned boutique hotel that features one of the world's most breathtaking vistas. The spectacular views of the Caribbean Sea and the Pitons are unrivaled by those provided by any of the island's other hotels. This luxury hotel features a 65-foot infinity pool and waterfall, and it has only 6 luxury suites. As a result, the atmosphere at this hotel is small and intimate, giving guests the feeling of being in their own homes away from home. Kaye Blanc Villa and Hotel is the perfect place for a magical wedding, reunion, or corporate getaway. The 6 suites are the unique creation of the owner, a world-class designer who hand-selected the finest antiques and furnishings from Afghanistan, India, China, and the United States. Each suite includes en-suite bathrooms, hand-carved 4-poster beds with safari-style nets, air conditioning, ceiling fans, flat-screen TVs, room safes, and refrigerators. This hotel has a variety of services for guests, including a bar beside the pool, a shuttle service to and from the airport, and a patio. With its beachfront position and complimentary shuttle service to the beach, this hotel is an excellent spot to soak up some rays. Visit one of the 2 hot springs, and while you're there, treat yourself to a body scrub or massage focusing on the deeper tissue. Ocean views can be enjoyed at the Pavilion Restaurant, which serves upscale Caribbean food and is located on the premises. Sugar Beach, a Viceroy resort. At the Viceroy-affiliated Sugar Beach, you can relax in comfort while surrounded by the beauty of nature. Envision getting pampered at a spa in a treehouse in the Amazon, exploring new cuisine. At the same time, you stroll along powdery white sands and then relax in a secluded mountain cabin. This 5-star resort in St. Lucia is the perfect place to recharge your batteries. The 100 acres of untouched rainforest on the Caribbean coast are a tranquil and beautiful place to spend some time. Sugar Beach boasts easy access to some of St. Lucia's best dive spots, including Superman's Flight, a popular drift dive around the base of Piton. Travelers can arrange scuba excursions as well as island tours through the resort. New seaside bungalows, mountain cottages, and suites surrounded by lush gardens guarantee privacy. Experience the beauty of this island paradise from every viewpoint, whether it's a hike in the Pitons, a massage at the Rainforest Spa, or a rum cocktail at the brand new poolside bar and cabanas. With the recent renovations to their beaches and fine dining establishments, you can now enjoy a more authentic connection to the natural environment. Not a day goes by without the creation of unforgettable moments and the discovery of tranquility. Marigot Bay Resort, Spa, and Marina. This is where unrivaled seclusion and luxury meet the joys of nature. The Marigot Spa Resort, Spa, and Marina is tucked away in a private tropical paradise on a bay of crystalline turquoise water. Because of its secluded St. Lucia location, honeymooners and families looking to reconnect while on vacation flock to this high-end resort. You will experience the finest that St. Lucia offers from the comfort of your balcony, pool cabana, private yacht, sailing expedition, or an exclusive island tour. But if you'd rather stay put in your luxurious apartment or penthouse, we won't blame you. When it's time to dine, guests have their choices of 3 restaurants, 2 swim-up pool bars, and private dining in their rooms, cabanas, or tree houses. With their new Marigot Moment Maestros, who serve as your concierge, personal assistant, and butler, it's easy to see why the luxurious rooms and impeccable service would make you want to take a break from the outside world. Kaye Resort and Spa. The award-winning Kaye Resort and Spa, perched above the private Anse-Chacon Bay on the world-famous island of St. Lucia, is an adults-only 4-star resort. The resort's 33 oceanfront rooms and cottages provide a secluded, intimate atmosphere ideal for couples. Each cottage at the resort is designed to blend in with its natural surroundings and contribute to the resort's overall inspired-by-nature vibe. Twin hammocks on the balcony, an outdoor shower, and private plunge pool are just a few of the unique features that invite guests to unwind and enjoy their stay. Picturesque vistas and secluded, homey atmosphere are standard in each cottage. Head to Kaye Mange Restaurant for more formal dining, and when it's time to relax, Kaye Coco Spa boasts a dramatic cliffside location. Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa. This 85-acre all-inclusive St. Lucia resort welcomes travelers of all ages with 2 distinct and separate wings. Harmony is the adults-only section, and Splash appeals to more families and groups. The Coconut Bay Beach Resort features a fitness center, a bar, and access to water sports right on the beach in View Fort. This property has a water park, an outdoor pool, and a restaurant open to visitors around the clock, in addition to its 24-hour front desk service. A concierge is available and entertainment is offered in the evenings. Guests have access to the mile-long beach and multiple pools, plus activities like beach volleyball, kayaking, snorkeling, yoga, and more. Each of the rooms in the resort has a closet. Each Coconut Bay Beach Resort room features a work desk, a flat-screen TV, and a private bathroom. A continental or buffet breakfast is available to lodgers each morning. All accommodations include private balconies that overlook the surrounding gardens, the water park, or the ocean. Well, that sums up our travel guide for your next adventure to St. Lucia. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you also click the subscribe button. And most importantly, click the bell icons to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Also, feel free to leave any remarks or if you have any recommendations for videos. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks once again for watching.